All right. Question number 5 says a right triangle and an isosceles triangle are graphed on the coordinate grid. The point falls in the middle of both triangles. Okay, so you see that you have a point right there, and it says which coordinates represent the location of a point. So before you do this, there's some things that you need to know. Okay, you need to know that this is your x line and this is your y line. You also need that when we talk about ordered pairs, we ordered the pairs as our x first and then our y. When we talk about our x, we are talking about numbers that are moving left. Oh, that was ugly. Left to right. And then when we talk about our y, we are talking about numbers going up and down. Okay. Now, I'm going to use this as a reference. Okay. So I know that my first letter needs to be X, which is my left or my right. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to write the parentheses for my order pair and then my comma. So left and right. Your starting point is always right here in the middle. Okay. I know that I need to move to my dot and my first one needs to be left or right. So I'm not going to move up or down. I'm going to move left or right. And this instance, it is left. So I'll go -1, -2, -3, -4. And then I see it's in the middle between -4 and -5. So between the middle, I'm going to put -4 and it goes halfway to that -5. So halfway means it is -4.5. It's a little bit more than -4, but it's a little bit less than -5. Okay. Then while I'm right here, I need to do my next number, which is my y, and that's talking about going up or down. In this case, I am going up, which means it's the positive. So I went up 1, and then again, I went up halfway between that 1 and that 2, meaning that it is 1.5. It is a little bit more than 1, but a little bit less than 2. Now I have my x first and my y. So when I look at my x, I notice that I have a negative x. So I'm going to look through all my x's. I see that is a positive, and I see this one C is a positive. I come back and I look at my x, and I notice that my x needed to move left first to the -4, and A is showing that it went -1.5, which was showing our up and down distance. So we're going to say that A was wrong and D was the right one. Okay, good luck, guys.